E-scooters and one-wheels. They're fun, efficient, and eco-friendly, but they still have rules. Hi everyone, I'm Sergeant Basped with Dublin Police. These small electric machines are part of what are called micro-mobility devices. Quick, lightweight options for short trips. E-scooters are stand-up models with handlebars and small motors, the kind you'll often see students or commuters using. To operate an e-scooter, the rider must have either a learner's permit or a driver's license, and the rider must be older than 16 years of age. One-wheels are self-balancing boards that move on a single tire. Whether you're on one or the other, the rules are still the same. No riding on sidewalks. Instead, ride in the bike lane or as close to the curb as possible. While we recommend everyone wears a helmet, they are required if you're under 18. Obey all the traffic signals and yield to pedestrians. These devices can be a safe way to get around when used responsibly and with awareness of others. So remember, let's ride smart, Dublin.